Hi friends, I'm Kriti Sinha and welcome to my channel Case Cook Studio. In this channel, I will share with you snacks, recipes, main course, dessert and so many things. Thank you for watching me, and if you have any suggestion about my recipes, you can ask me in my suggestion box. Let's start with my first recipe, that is pumpkin soup recipe. And I know that you don't like pumpkin, but after trying my recipe, I'm very much sure you will like it. Let's start now. Sure you will like it. Let's have a look of the ingredients. Olive oil, 1 spoon, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1/4 spoon of thyme, dry thyme, 1 red chili, 1 stick of celery, finely chopped and leaves I have removed, 5 to 6 seeds of black pepper, 6 garlic cloves grated, 1 medium size onion finely chopped, pumpkin which I have peeled then finely chopped and then I have roasted that, half liter of veg broth. See friends, now I am roasting finely sliced pumpkin with olive oil, and then I will show you my next process. In the next step, I will take 2 spoons of olive oil and saute onion. Now I will add onion. I don't want to heat my olive oil. Now I will wait for onion to become soft. Now my onions are soft. I will add celery. Again I will saute. Then I will add 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar. Again I will saute. Now I will add dry thyme and finally I will add pumpkin. I will mix it properly. Wait for 2 minutes. Now I will add garlic, black pepper and broth. I will stir this nicely. Now I will close the pressure cooker and wait for the first whistle. After first whistle, my pumpkin is cooked. Now I will add roasted chili which I have roasted earlier. Now you can wait for cooling down of broth naturally, or you can add 4 to 5 ice cubes if you are in a hurry. Now I will pour the broth and grind. After grinding, now I will pour this into the pan. Now I will check the consistency of the soup. It is bit thick. Now I will add 1 cup of water. I didn't add salt because my broth was salty. Now I will check salt and add according to the taste. Now I will wait for my soup to boil. By the time, I just wanted to tell you about pumpkin. It's very nutritious and very healthy soup because it is rich of minerals, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, folic acid, and it is very good for health, especially for kids, because it is good for digestion. It is very good for cancer patients and it helps to reduce the weight. It is very filling, and if you like to have without carb, it is very good for people who are looking for weight loss. See, my soup is done now. After this, I will do plating. See, my soup is ready. I am going to taste that. It's so yummy and delicious. Bye. Hey friends, if you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.